Wait, you know when Feel What I Feel first comes on the screen?
Yeah.
It looks like Kingslayer. Wait, play Jigsaw, play Jigsaw. When
Oh,
Feel What I Feel
feel,
first
yeah,
comes on,
it does.
Looks like Electric Forest.
no idea what the fuck that level is.
Sorry.
This is like
If Joe was a Pokemon, what would be his signature move? I think like steal money or some shit.
He's not Jewish. I'm leaving the court.
No, bro, if you just don't know how to swim, you're a loser, bro.
Type.
Yeah,
type.
I'm like 500 stone and I can still swim.
Bro, fucking finish what's in your mouth before you speak, bro.
Shut up, Keeksy.
Okay.
He's
I can-
spraying it all over my face. Pause.
Oh!
I hate you. I hate you.
Let me guess, Theo sent you a gift about shooting.
No, he sent bro eating.
Okay.
Bro, my mom sucks foot saw into my fucking bath, bro. She's such a bomb.
What does that mean? Does it get into
No,
your
but-
thing, bro?
No, fucking, it was what's it called? It like made my feet really fucking itchy.
Yes, what is
And, like, No, it was like fucking laced. The foot salt was laced
With the what?
with fucking
Itchy
itching
toes.
powder.
Nah, I don't give a fuck, bro. That's your fault.
Jonas, okay.
Bomboclad, bomboclad, bomba!
Wow, are we dead ass?
Oh, he's in
we're
here.
done, right?
No, we're not. What the fuck is he doing?
Is he chill? Is he chill about it?
Do you want to like 87?
Man, what the fuck? That was a good one.
I'll go from 0.
Yeah.
Bro, you were so jolly when Jonas was like, I'm gonna go from 0. You went, yes, dude, let's go. Holy shit. Yo, Frank, Jonas is going from 0.
Yes, man.
Shut up. This is so tough. Rex. Yeah, I got 11.
I'm gonna get 8 to the drop, and I'm
Let's
gonna
cover.
Unless, wait, no.
I got 15.
What is this? Fuck, it's not gonna work.
I got 43 on Jigsaw. Let's go. I got a bug. I got 80.
Oh shit.
I got 87. Oh well.
Oh, what the fuck?
No-
Let's
not
go,
100
Jonas.
there.
Yo,
Please!
Oh, shit.
Oh my god! Oh no! He got 91.
Fuck.
Did he actually?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
No!
I beat Jigsaw. Yes! 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 I beat Jigsaw. I beat Jigsaw. What?
Oh.
I beat Jigsaw. I beat Jigsaw. I beat Jigsaw.
Let's go.
Let's go, bro. What the fuck?
Oh,
Let's
let's
yes.
go. Oh, let's go.
Let's fucking go, bro.
Fuck up, man.
Shit, bro. Good
Let's
fucking
go, bro.
shit.
Second hardest.
Hey, in today's video, Jonas GMD will be beating Ordinary. Hello, Nas. Hello, Mariner. Hello, Nuke Dev. GG on Ordinary. Very happy.